Hey everybody, today we're going to do Jack's 3 ingredient brownies, but actually when you watch his video it seems like they recommend using some kind of sweetener. So mine's actually going to be 4 ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and use, I guess I'll just put in some sugar with it. That's what they recommend, some kind of sweetener, so I'm going to use sugar for mine, and we will give it a go. Throw the bananas in a bowl. I'm going to use 3 of them. I don't have green rotten bananas. I'm not sure how you get those. Somehow Jack got them, but I just have regular bananas, so that's going to have to do. We're going to crush these up first. Alright, next we'll put in about half a cup of cocoa powder. It seems like a lot. Jack recommended microwaving your peanut butter for a few seconds to have it pour easier, so I guess we're going to do that. We did that. I'll pour it here. I think we're still going to have to scoop it out here. Okay, I'm going to mix that up, and then I think I'm going to taste it and then try to figure out how much sugar I need to add to it. Alright, I'm going to taste it here. I'm going to add just a couple of tablespoons of sugar at first, just to see if that's good enough. Taste. Okay, like no difference. I'm gonna put in probably a few more, I guess. Alright, that's good. Taste. I must be like taste blind or sweet blind or something, because I don't taste any difference. I'm gonna go ahead and just go with this because I'm not gonna put any more in. Okay, it's more or less spread out. This is gonna go in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. All right, in she goes. All right, they're out. We're gonna let these cool, and then we'll give them a try. All right, let's get a piece out of here. It's pretty thin, as expected. Let's give it a try. Here we go. It's very thin. Remember, I added sugar. In their video, they said they recommend adding sweetener. So you could add other things, I guess. I mean, it doesn't taste terrible. It tastes. I taste the banana a lot, actually, which I like. I love the flavor of bananas, and I love peanut butter. I don't know. It might be too much cocoa powder. I mean, I like cocoa powder, but I feel like maybe the ratio was off. Maybe my bananas were too small. Maybe like half as much cocoa powder and a little bit more sugar, and it'd be pretty good. But it's not bad. It's just kind of dull. It kind of seems like a lot of Jack's recipes are just kind of dull. No offense to him. But I think the idea is that it's supposed to be just like a simple, 3-recipe brownie. Really, you could just buy like a prepared brownie mix. It'd be about the same amount of effort. Actually, maybe a little bit less effort because you're just mixing up like an egg and some water, but maybe more expensive, I guess. So, but you'll get better brownies that way. But they're not bad. I mean, it's thin. The texture's pretty close to correct, and it tastes okay. Primarily, I'm tasting the bananas and cocoa powder. I'm not really tasting the peanut butter much, which I love peanut butter. I love peanut butter and chocolate. So I love, Reese's peanut butter cups. We didn't really have many trick-or-treaters this year for Halloween. We got a bunch of candy, but we got like 4, maybe?
Yes, and 2 were brothers.
Yeah, we got like 4 kids. So we ended up having to eat all that candy.
Sadly.
Sadly. But it was lots of Reese's peanut butter cups. So that was good at least, I guess. It's okay. If this is what you got in the house and you don't want to run out and you feel like having brownie, make it and you'll be alright. It's tasty enough, I would say. Thanks for watching. And thanks to all my subscribers and also my patrons. It really means a lot. Thank you so much. I'll see you later.
To me, it's interesting that here everyone is celebrating Christmas and it's just... Are you okay?
There you go. Sorry.
It's just... We are in early November and people are already celebrating Christmas. So here you celebrate Christmas too early, in my opinion.
I wouldn't say it's early November. It's like the 20th.
Now, but I remember they started like selling stuff in October and your neighbors starting like decorations in early November. Sorry,
we have neighbors that are already decorated for Christmas. I've seen people on social media, some of my friends and family that have already put up their Christmas trees weeks ago, actually.
Yes.
That's something. I don't know if everybody does that around the world. Like,
not in my world.
Well, for me, I think the very earliest time that you can put up your Christmas tree. I love Christmas. I don't want like too much of it. I don't want like 2 solid months of Christmas. It kind of spoils the specialness of it for me. I love Christmas. I love the decorations. I love the winter. If you're in the northern hemisphere, the cold. I like Christmas carols and hymns. I love that stuff.
And you love movies?
Yeah, of course. It's the time to watch movies. Yeah, Christmas movies. The only time of the year you can watch them. It's around Christmas. You gotta watch some Christmas movies.
And what's your favorite Christmas movie?
Oh, that's a tough one.
There are classics.
I know. There's a few. I know, like, it's definitely not like the best Christmas movie or anything, but probably just has such a nostalgia for me. I gotta say Home Alone.
Nah.
Yeah. I don't know, there's just something about it.
What is about it? It's just the worst movie ever.
What do you mean? How's it the worst movie ever?
Yeah, it doesn't have any good message and it's just
Are you joking right now? It's the message is the importance of family and remembering to be grateful for your family and how nice it is and important it is to be with your family around Christmas and holidays. It's very heartwarming. The music is great.
Can I confess something?
You haven't seen it?
No.
You've never seen Home Alone?
I saw...
You've seen clips of it.
Clips, or when it's on, I just want to change the channel.
Oh, come on. Okay, that's going to change this year because we're going to watch not
No,
only
I
the first
don't
one.
want to watch it, please.
We're going to
I hate
watch
that
both
movie.
of them. We're going to watch Home Alone 1 and 2 back to back in the same night.
I won't
actually
do
the
that.
same-
No. I haven't done it in my entire life, and it's not because lack of options to do it. It was just I don't like the movie. It's just I don't like that running persecutions. I hate that. It just annoys me. And
You
the
should-
Grinch. Yes, I know.
I don't know, like other movies, I like, I mean, It's a Wonderful Life is a great classic. I mean, it's a classic anytime, not just Christmas. But it has a Christmas theme, kind of, towards the end. That's a good one, you know. A Christmas Story is a classic. I mean, all the classics you can think of.
The Tim Burton Jack.
The Nightmare Before Christmas?
Yes.
I might get raked over the coals, but I actually, it's not one that I watch every year. It's not. It's one that a lot of my friends watched. I never really watched it as a kid.
Because it's a musical, I don't like it either.
Well, I mean, I understand why people like it, and it kind of became like a
Cult movie.
like a goth, thing, a Hot Topic thing. I guess most Tim Burton things become that. But I don't have a problem with it. I never really watched it as a kid, so for me it doesn't really hold that nostalgic feeling like it probably does for most other people.
You haven't seen the Scissorhands, Edward.
I've never seen Edward Scissorhands.
And
That's
you
true.
have to watch it. That's one of my favorite movies.
I know. You keep saying that. Yeah, I've never seen it.
I mean, it's such a sweet story, and it's just... It has the Christmas theme on it, so...
It does?
Yeah, so
Oh.
it's perfect for watching this Christmas.
Well,
and-
I guess if I make you watch Home
No,
Alone...
because the other one I already know what it is about. I don't like it.
Well, if I have to watch Edward Scissorhands, you have to watch... Home
No.
Alone.
I have watched many of your movies and I deserve one.
That's true, but the thing is, I'm going to watch Home Alone anyway, because it's the only time
And
of
I
year.
will be out of the house.
Aw.
Well, I'm sorry, but
You haven't even seen it. You're just like...
I have seen
You've not.
that's one of the most pushed movies in the entire world. So it's not lack of opportunities. It's just I don't like it. I don't like the.
This isn't going to work out. This isn't going to
We-
work out.
We are going to D.
Well, it's been fun.
I just hope that people share what's their favorite movie.
Yeah. Yeah, what's your favorite Christmas movie? I'd like to see it in the comments. It's not even December yet, so I'm sure we'll do a Christmas thing then, and maybe we'll do some Thanksgiving stuff
Yes,
too.
and what will be a nice, honest rice Christmas special?
Well, I did the one last year of the turkey cake. I need to do a redemption run of it at some point because I used the wrong alcohol. So
You're too hard on yourself. No one cares that much.
they do, actually. I get comments all the time complaining how I don't get the right ingredients in it. No, I'm serious. I do. I really do. You don't see them, but I do. And so I appreciate that. I understand it. It's supposed to be an honest try. How can it be an honest try if I don't have the right ingredients?
Yeah.
But I try to at least keep the spirit of what it is. And there's sometimes
Yeah.
where there's some ingredients where I honestly just can't find it. But
Yeah.
but I know what the alcohol is this time, so I can do it.
Well,
Anyway, see you next week probably.
bye.